The Space Marines of the Blood Ravens chapter were well entrenched in their castellum in North Vandia when they finally faced an all-out attack. Utterly unwilling to surrender or retreat any further, the Blood Ravens prepared a mighty defense against the coming assault. Among those defending the keep were Space Marines drawn from the chapter's hallowed First Company. These were the hardened veterans of many crusades, each man ready and able to face down whole squads of enemy attackers. The Blood Ravens on the ground would be further bolstered by fresh troops arriving from the battle barge Litany of Fury in orbit around the planet. Only two factors made the Blood Ravens at all assailable in their stronghold. Most critically, the fortress was unable to receive reinforcements directly from orbit. Captain Thule thus had to establish a forward base to receive drop pods and landing craft. Although well defended, this base could be taken. Secondly, the Space Marines had established their base near ruins which the Ravens claimed held relics of great importance to the chapter. Unwilling to desecrate the space by fortifying, Fuel opened the door to an enemy claiming the area and thus dealing a power blow to the normally unbreakable Space Marine morale. The Battle of India would be one of the bloodiest of the entire war.
The enemy is at our doorstep and thinks he can push us off this world. He is already gloating. He can taste his victory. But what he fails to see is that we will make this his last meal. The Chief Librarian has ordered the purge of this world to protect our chapter's secrets. Are we to retreat with our duty unfulfilled? Are we to let a black mark stain the banner of the Blood Ravens? I say that we will not. I say our enemies will regret the day they ever decided to face us in battle. Our battle barge orbits overhead and will rain the Emperor's holy fury upon our opponents. More of our brothers will come to join the fight. But as ever, our enemy outnumbers us. Each of you must be an army in your own right. Veterans of the First Company, the finest of the entire chapter, stand with us. Let their valor guide your into the enemy's heart. Remember that we are Blood Ravens, brothers. We have all sworn to protect fonts of hidden knowledge. Each one of us must fall before handing this word to the enemy. The Emperor is with us. The unknown Primarch is with us. They have come for our blood, but they will drown in their own.
Surrender, human. If not for you, then for the greater good.
The greater good is coming to you from my bolter, alien.
Do the deaths of your soldiers mean so little to you? Are you that mad?
Do the deaths of yours mean so much to you, alien? Are you that weak?
The patient hunter gets the prey.
I have sworn to fight for the Tau.
XP-25 ready for action.
Battle suits ready for action.
Another unit ready. Command.
Shazzo, ready to take our duty calls, Shazza.
Battle suits ready for action.
XP-25 ready for action. Our
Battle
duty
suits
calls,
ready for
Shazza.
action.
XP-25 ready for action.
The first company's with us. Strike at the enemy now!
Construction matrix engaged.
Shazzo, ready to take command.
Battle suits ready for action.
I have sworn to fight for the Tau.
The patient hunter gets the prey. Our hunt begins. Point us at our targets. Orders received.
Construction matrix
XP-25 ready for action. Shazzo, ready to take command. Point us at our targets. Shazzo, ready to take command. Point us at our targets. Our hunt begins. Point us at our targets. Orders received.
Command. Construction matrix engaged. I will make it so. Construction matrix
XP-25
engaged.
ready for action. Point us at our targets. Shazzo, ready to take command. Our duty calls, Shazla. Shazzo, ready to take command.
Command.
The patient hunter gets the prey.
Command. Construction matrix engaged. Construction matrix engaged. Construction matrix engaged.
The patient hunter gets the prey. Cut them for Tau to prosper. It will be so. Shazzo, ready to take command. A sound tactical. A sound tactical. Point us at our targets.
arrived! To battle, Blood Ravens!
For the Emperor!
Our duty calls, Shazla. Fire team is ready. Point us at our targets. Point us at our targets.
Command. Construction matrix
Shazla,
engaged.
ready to take command. A sound tactical move. A sound tactical move. A sound tactical move. Jetpack engaged. A sound tactical move. A sound tactical move. A sound tactical move. Jetpack engaged. Shazla, ready to take command. A sound tactical move. A sound tactical move. This will slow the enemy. Fire team is ready. Point us at our targets.
For the Emperor!
Point us at our targets. Cut them down. Point us at our targets. Cut them down. Cut them down. Our duty calls, Shazla. Point us at our targets. Ready. Fire team is ready. Pathfinders lead the way. Cut our duty calls, Shazla. We will find you. Our duty calls, Shazla. Fire team is ready.
Command.
Shazla, ready to take command. A sound tactical move. A sound tactical move. Fire team is ready. Acquiring targets.
Broadside battlesuits ready.
XV-88 battlesuits ready for action.
Broadsides redeploying.
Our duty calls, Shazla.
Broadsides redeploying. Broadsides redeploying.
Pathfinders lead the way.
Command. Command.
Our duty calls, Shazla. Shazla, ready to take command. A sound tactical move. Shazla, ready to take command. ready to take command. A sound tactical move. Chasseur, ready to take command. Chasseur, ready to take command. A sound tactical move. A sound tactical move.
Command. Construction matrix engaged.
Acquiring targets. Chasseur, ready to take command. The Cadra will crush them. Acquiring targets. Chasseur, ready to take command. A sound tactical move. A sound tactical move. A sound tactical move.
Command.
Our duty calls, Shazla.
Cut them down.
Our duty calls, Shazla. Fire team is ready. Our duty calls, Shazla.
Pathfinders lead the way.
Fire team is ready. Fire team is ready.
Banish your fear. The ethereal cast leads for the
Fire
greater
team
good.
is ready. Yes, sir.
Chasseur, ready to take command. Chasseur, ready to take command. A sound tactical move. A sound tactical move. A sound tactical move. A sound tactical move.
Fire team is ready. Fire team is ready. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Our duty calls, Shazla.
Chasseur, ready to take command. Targets.
Command. I will make it so.
The Blood Ravens will not fall to one such as you.
Construction matrix engaged. Construction matrix
Chasseur, ready to take command. A sound tactical move. A sound tactical move. A sound tactical move. A sound tactical move. A sound tactical move.
Fire team is ready. Chasseur, ready to take command. Chasseur, ready to take command. A sound tactical move. A sound tactical move. A sound tactical move. A sound tactical move. This will slow the enemy. A sound tactical move. Chasseur, ready to take command. Chasseur, ready to take command. Our duty calls, Chasseur. Our duty calls, Chasseur. Our duty calls, Chasseur.
Construction matrix engaged.
Our duty calls, Chasseur.
Construction
Our duty calls, Chasseur. Harbinger deployed.
Construction matrix engaged.
Fire team is ready. Chasseur, ready to take command. Our duty calls, Chasseur. Chasseur, ready to take command. Our duty calls, Chasseur. Chasseur, ready to take command. The Fist of Vodka is Identify our targets. Harbinger ready for action. Identify our targets, and we will destroy them. Following orders. Identify our targets, and we will destroy them. 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 Fire team is ready. Chasseur,
ready to take command.
Chapter! Destroy them!
Fire team is ready. Yes, sir. Identify our targets, and we will destroy them. Fire team is ready. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Identify our targets. Harbinger ready for action. Our duty calls, Shazla. Identify our targets, and we will destroy them. Fire team is ready. Pathfinder, our duty calls, Fire team is ready. Our duty calls, Shazla. Fire team is ready. Fire team is ready. Our duty calls, Shazla. Our duty calls, Shazla. Harbinger ready for action. Shazla, ready to take command. A sound tactical move. A sound tactical move. A sound tactical move. A sound tactical move. Harbinger ready for action. Identify our targets, and we will destroy them. Fire team is ready. Pathfinders lead the way. Our duty calls, Shazla. Fire team is ready. Fire team is ready. Fire team is ready. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Fire team is ready. Fire team is ready. Shazla, ready to take command. Fire team is ready. Pathfinders lead the way. We will find your targets. Fire team is ready. Yes, sir. Fire team is ready. Yes, sir. Shazla, ready to take command. Fire team is ready. Fire team is ready. Pathfinders lead the way. Harbinger ready for action. Our duty calls, Shazla. XP-25 ready for action. Our duty calls, Shazla. Our duty calls, Shazla. Our duty calls, Shazla. Our duty calls, Shazla. Shazla, ready to take command. A sound tactical. Fire team is ready. Harbinger ready for action. Our duty calls, ready for action. Identify our targets, and we will destroy them. Harbinger ready for action.
XV-25 ready for action. Our duty calls Shazla. Our duty calls Shazla.
Shazla, ready to take command.
Our duty calls Shazla.
Harbinger ready for action. Shazla, ready to take command.
Brothers, the enemy is feeding coordinates to the battle barge. Prepare for incoming orbital fire!
Command. I will make it so.
Shazla, ready to take command. This will slow the enemy.
XV-25 ready for action. XV-25 ready for action.
Identify our targets, and we will destroy them. Harbinger ready for action.
XV-25 ready for action.
Awaiting programming. Acknowledged.
Shazla, ready to take command.
XV-25 ready for action.
Identify our targets and we will destroy them.
Calls Shazla.
Identify our targets, and we will destroy them.
Fire team is ready.
Cut them down.
Our duty calls
Cut
Shazla.
them down. Cut them down.
Our duty calls Shazla.
Cut them
Fire
down.
team is ready. Grenades! Yes, sir. XV-25 ready for action.
Harbinger ready for action. Identify our targets.
Our
and
duty
we will
calls
destroy them.
Shazla. Fire team is ready.
Harbinger ready for action.
XV-25 ready for action.
Shazla, ready to take command. A sound tactical move. A sound tactical move. Harbinger ready for action.
XV-25 ready for action. Our duty calls Shazla. Jetpacks, fire!
Command.
The enemy is trying to cut off our reinforcements! Drive them back!
We will get our men there.
Our duty calls Shazla.
Identify our targets,
Fire team
and we
is
will
ready.
destroy them.
Awaiting programming. Acknowledged. Attack orders confirmed.
Identify our targets, and we
Hold
will
the relay
destroy them.
station! We must keep in touch with the Litany of Fury!
Is ready.
Shazla, ready to take command. A sound tactical move. Devilfish swim silently.
Engaged.
Devilfish swim
Our
silently.
duty calls Shazla.
Shazla, ready to take command. The Cadra will crush them.
We shall
prepare an ambush
XV-25
from
ready
there.
for action. Jetpacks, fire!
Enemies are near the Chapel Brothers! Close ranks and attack!
Ambush from there. Jetpacks, fire! We shall prepare an ambush from there. We shall prepare an ambush from there. We shall prepare an ambush from there. XV-88 battlesuits ready for action. Identify our targets and fire destroy them. Call Shazla. Harbinger ready for action. Call Shazla.
Shaz-O, ready to take command.
Ready for action.
Shaz-O, ready to take command.
XV-25 ready for action. We shall prepare an ambush from there. Open fire! Fire team is ready. Identify our targets, and we will destroy them. Following orders, identify our targets, and we will destroy them. Fire team is ready. Identify our targets, and we will destroy them. Following orders, identify our targets, and we will destroy them. Identify our targets, and we will destroy them. Our duty calls Shazla. Our duty calls Shazla. Our duty calls Shazla. Our targets, and we will destroy them. Identify our targets, and we will destroy them. Battle suits ready for action.
Shaz-O, ready to take command. The Cadra will crush them.
XV-25 ready for action.
Shaz-O, ready to take command.
Battle suits ready for action. XV-25 ready for action. Identify our targets. Fire team is ready to destroy them. Harbinger ready for action.
Command. Command.
Devilfish swim silently. Pathfinders lead the way. Fire team is ready. Fire team is ready. Yes, sir. Fire team is ready. Harbinger ready for action. Identify our targets, and we will destroy them.
Hold the East Gate at all costs!
Following orders. Fire team is ready. Yes, sir. Identify our targets, and we will destroy them.
Shaz-O, ready to take command. The Cadra will crush them.
XV-25 ready for action. Devilfish swim silently. Devilfish swim silently. Identify our targets, and we will destroy them. Identify our targets, and we will destroy them. Is ready. Identify our targets.
You will not squelch our faith so easily, alien.
Following
The
orders.
Tau Empire will respect your faith, human, if you would only see reason.
Our faith is in the Emperor of Man, alien. To bow to you is heresy.
Then you follow the
swim
path
silently.
to destruction.
Better destruction than bondage.
We will get on
So
in
says
there.
the slave to the free
We shall on
man.
there.
Ready to take command.
XV-25 ready for action. They will never see their deaths coming. XV-25 ready for action. We shall prepare an ambush.
We
from
are the
there.
angels of death and shall deliver it unto you.
Devilfish swim silently. We will get our men there. Identify our targets. Harbinger ready for action. Our duty Shazla. Identify our targets, and we will destroy them. Our duty calls Shazla. Identify our targets, and we will destroy them. Harbinger ready for action. Our duty calls Shazla. Ready to take command.
You should have surrendered, Gwyla. Now it is too late.
Come on then, your death awaits.
Identify our targets, and we will destroy them. Following orders. Following orders. Identify our targets, and we will destroy them. Harbinger ready for action. Identify our targets, and we will destroy them. Fire team is ready. Our duty calls is ready. Pathfinders lead the way. Marking targets now. Cut them down. Identify our targets. Our duty calls destroy them. Grenades! Fire team is ready. Our duty calls Shazla. Fire team is ready. Identify our targets, and we will destroy them. Following orders. Our duty calls Shazla. Fire team is ready. Fire team is ready. Pathfinders lead the way. Fire team is ready.
Shazla, ready to take command. Shazla, ready to take
Identify our
command.
targets, and we will destroy them.
Battle suits ready for action.
Devilfish swim silently.
Command.
XV-25 ready for action. Devilfish swim silently. We will get our men there.
Shazla, ready to take command. Shazla, ready to take command.
Suits ready for action. Battle suits ready for action.
Shazla, ready to take command.
Identify our targets, and we will destroy them. Harbinger ready for action. Understood. Fire team is ready. Devilfish swim silently.
Command. Construction.
XV-25 ready for action. We shall prepare an ambush from there. We shall prepare an ambush from there.
Shazla, ready to take command.
Battle suits ready for action. We will deliver the battle suits ready for action. Battle suits ready for action. No problem.
Shazla, ready to take command.
Battle suits ready for action.
Our duty calls
Battle
Shazla.
suits ready for action.
Our duty calls Shazla.
Command. Command. Relocation required.
Shazla, ready to take command. Shazla, ready to
Battle
take
suits
command.
ready
The
for
enemy is at the
action.
western gate. Hold fast, brothers!
Shazla,
Our duty
ready
calls
to take
Shazla.
command.
Battle suits ready for action.
Shazla, ready to take command.
Harbinger ready for action. Devilfish swim silently. Devilfish swim silently. We will get our men there. Ready for action. Our duty calls prepare an ambush from there. Fire team is ready. Our duty calls Shazla.
Awaiting programming. Acknowledged. Awaiting programming. Attack orders confirmed.
XV-25 ready for action.
Awaiting programming.
Our duty calls Shazla.
Acknowledged.
Our duty calls Shazla.
Acknowledged.
Shazla, ready to take command.
Battle suits ready for action.
Shazla, ready to take command.
Ready for action. XV-25 ready for action. Devilfish swim silently.
Command.
Battle suits ready for action. Identify our targets, ready to destroy them. Following orders. Our duty calls Shazla. Harbinger ready for action.
Shazla, ready to take command.
Jetpack engaged. Battle suits ready for action. Coordinates locked in. Identify our targets, and we will destroy them. Fire team is ready.
Shazla, ready to take command.
Our duty calls Shazla. Battle suits ready for action. Battle suits ready for action. No problem.
Shazla, ready to take command.
Identify our targets, and we will destroy them. Fire team is ready. Open fire! Harbinger ready for action. Our duty calls Shazla. Our duty calls Shazla. Our duty calls Shazla.
You're strong. No! We cannot fail.
The gene seed must be preserved. Get Captain Fuel to the Thunderhawk. Understood. Join them, Brother Apothecary. We will cover your escape. And you? We cannot allow the enemy to claim our relics. This area must be cleansed with orbital fire. The chapter will honor you, brother. There is no honor to be had in defeat. But someone must deliver the targeting beacon. Orbital control. Lock onto this beacon and fire. Full power.
You're strong.
Tau forces and Space Marines had clashed on Cronus during the Damocles Gulf Crusade. But these had been small hit-and-run engagements. The Tau assault on North Vandia was something else altogether, with Okais leading his troops in an assault on the entrenched and well-defended Blood Ravens. Warriors of the Emperor, the Space Marines left many Tau and Kroot dead, but were unable to hold back Okais' tide. When the Blood Ravens left Cronus, many of their finest soldiers lay dead in North Vandia. In the Blood Ravens, Onel Shiorez saw what he considered the worst of the Imperium of Man. The Ethereal called their faith madness, and their purge of Cronus murder on a global scale. He chose thus to preserve the remains of the Space Marine fortress in North Vandia as an example of the opposition the greater good faced in the wider galaxy.